If you're just used to writing for print or for websites, writing for radio can feel a bit alien. You have to write with your ears. You're painting a picture with sound for your listener. So it's not just the words that you're responsible for, but also everything that they will hear. Music, sound effects, stage direction for the performance and production. You're in control of everything that people hear. That makes writing radio tricky, but writing a 15-second radio commercial is even harder because the time just flies by so fast. In this short series, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to write a 15-second radio commercial. It's a good idea to plan your writing carefully so you have time to get your whole message across. By the end of the series, you'll know how many words you can write, how to focus your message, and how to come up with ideas, and then how to write a script and how to sell it. My name is Steve Girdlestone. I'm a copywriter, and I help brands tell their stories. In this first part, we'll look at what you can actually fit into 15 seconds. It's a lot less than you think. It's very tempting to launch yourself straight into the writing. But hold on. You start writing a 15-second commercial, and it lasts 30 seconds. It's better to plan out your commercial first and then write second. So, good thing to know is how much information can you squeeze into 15 seconds? Well, surprise, surprise, you don't have 15 seconds. You have less than that. There are things called mandatories that have to go into every single commercial. What the heck is that, you ask? It could be a slogan, a website, a phone number, or do you have some terms and conditions you need to read out, or music jingle that every commercial has to use? It all takes time, so it's a good idea to work that out first to see how much actual time you have to play with to get your message across. So, what are your mandatories? List these first and then time them out. So now you have even less time than you thought. Your script should be about 40 words long. That's a good pace for a listener. It's not too fast, not too slow, and it gives your voiceover time to enunciate, to give emphasis, to make it interesting, and also you to leave gaps for sound effects, stuff like that. Of course, you could just write more and ask your voiceover to read faster. You can jam it with more information, messages, information, all the facts you want, but it'll be going so fast that probably nobody will hear a thing. If you ask a professional voiceover, they'll tell you they need room to perform. They modulate their voice to keep it interesting. Goes up, goes down, they pause, they give emphasis. It's all about the delivery. If you don't have enough time, all of those gaps that are built in for the actor get squished and there's no room. All they can do is read as fast as they can. And that's not really going to give it a good performance. You always have to write with sound in mind. So 40 words, that's about 4 or 5 sentences. Your mandatories might have used one of those sentences, so you're down to 3 or 4. Now you know how much space you've got for your message. So next, we'll look at what that message should be about. If you want to follow the series, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you catch the next video. Thanks a lot.